Welcome to my channel, you guys, where every dish is nutrition rich, where I try to balance each and every meal. Today we are making Paneer Momos or Potstickers full of protein, calcium and fiber. Can be served hot or sent in lunch boxes. Let's begin. Take 2 spoons of wheat flour and 1 spoon of white flour. Add salt to taste and start kneading dough with normal water. I am planning this meal for my kids' tiffin tomorrow, so I'm going to keep this dough overnight in the fridge. This is how it looks, a soft dough. Now onto the paneer filling, take 1 spoon of oil and add 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. When garlic is red, add water so the garlic doesn't burn. Now add about 50 grams of paneer, which will give us 9 grams of protein and 240 mg of calcium. I ended up adding a little bit of turmeric because I did not like the white paneer. Cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes till the paneer becomes dry and transfer to a bowl to cool down. Meanwhile, in a chopper, take half capsicum, half carrot and similar amount of cabbage and chop finely. These veggies are the fiber and multivitamin aspect of this dish. These veggies will also add lots of Manchurian-like flavor to these pot stickers. Now I added same quantity of veggies as my paneer. I do not use processed cheese much due to the high sodium content, so this is Babybel cheese that I'm going to mix to this mixture, adding 3 grams of protein and 70 mg of calcium to this dish. Add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce and mix up everything all together. You can add Schezwan sauce and green chilies as well as this point. Put it in the fridge. I'm going to keep this overnight. It's the next morning, time to make tiffin for my 3-year-old. I have taken my dough and microwaved it for 10 seconds, so rolling it becomes easy. I am going to make small rounds with the help of steel glass that I have. Here's how thin I have rolled them. Now let's start assembling. Spread water on the edges of the rounds so it sticks easily. Now place our paneer veggie mixture with the help of 2 spoons. Now just fold it in half and stick one side to the other and press to secure. This is very easy, don't be nervous. If I can do it, so can you. I'm gonna show you a couple of them how easy it becomes. This is how it looks, you guys. Fold it, secure it properly. Now heat up a pan, add some oil and spread it across. start placing our pot stickers. Let these cook for 1 to 2 minutes and pour little bit of water and cover it quickly. You could steam them or boil them if you wish. Open after 5 minutes or when the water has completely evaporated. Look how crispy it has become on one side. Now turn and crisp up the other side as well. For more nutrition dense kids meal idea, please visit my YouTube channel Little Plates Big Growth. Bye!